properties of rational number. There are four properties of rational number. They are, so let's go with property 1. If p upon q, a fraction, there's a fraction where p is a numerator and q is the denominator. If p upon q is a rational number, then p upon q is equals to p into n and q into n. P into n upon q into n. So basically what this property says is that if you multiply any number to the numerator, then you have to multiply the same number in the denominator too. You can't just do that if you do p upon p into n upon it like, just a minute, I'll show you. It can't be p into n upon q. This is wrong. We just need to do p into n upon q into n because that's the right method of using this property, or else that's the wrong method of doing it. So let's go with the second property. If p upon q is a rational number, then p upon q is equals to p divided by n upon q divided by n. So basically this property is same as property number 1, and this property says that if you divide any number in the numerator, then you are supposed to divide the same number in the denominator, or if you don't, then it's the wrong method of doing it. Let's go with property number 3. If p upon q is a rational number, then p upon q should be greater than 0, or p upon q can be less than 0. So if it's just a basic thing that p upon q is a fraction or a rational number, it can either be more than 0, and it can even be less than 0 if it goes in the negative form. Let's go to property number 4. Property 4 states that any one of them is true. See, we have given many equations, so only one of them is true. So a upon b is greater than c or c upon d, or a upon b is equals to c upon d. Okay, I'll mark it over here. A upon b is greater than c upon d, or a upon b is equals to c upon d. Or we have one more thing, that is a upon b is less than c upon d. So only one can be true. Not all of them can be true. Only one is supposed to be true, because just expecting like one is greater than, if we consider a upon b is 1 and c upon d is 2, then 1 is smaller than 2, right? It can't be 1 is greater than 2 or 1 is equals to true. So for all these three, only one of them is true.